Hi friends, this is Tony over at Cube, the semantic layer for data apps, and today we're going to look at how to connect Cube Cloud to your SingleStore dataset. So we've got our MarTech database, one of the sample databases that comes with SingleStore, and we've got the Tony demo workspace that we'll use to create that connection. So let's start over in Cube Cloud. We'll go ahead and name our deployment SingleStore demo. And I'll just pick a closer data center, and we'll create our own deployment from scratch. You can also add an additional deployment to your existing account or create or add this configuration on to an existing project as well. So from the database connection, we're going to select MySQL. SingleStore is MySQL compatible, so that's going to be the route we'll take. For host name, we'll head over to the customer portal in SingleStore, and we'll grab that from our workspace group. So from our workspaces page, we can select this connect arrow. The connect directly will give us connection string information. We'll pull the host name component out of this connection string, copy that, and paste it over here. Port 3306 is good. Our database is going to be this S2 string up here. We'll just copy that and paste there. Username and password, we can get those again from the workspace. For access, the master username here is set to admin. And then password, you can reset your password here. We'll go ahead and put in admin and the password and apply. Now Cube behind the scenes is going through and interrogating that data model and seeing what the schema is, what tables and views are available. So let's go ahead and just grab a couple of these for the sake of demo. We'll grab cities and subscribers just to make things simple. And within each of these tables, there's 4 fields here. So we'll just turn on that we want all 4 of those, and we want all 3 of these. We don't necessarily have to import each key, especially foreign keys, but we can import those for now. And we'll set city ID and subscriber ID and current location as dimensions. Now over on primary keys, we're going to select the unique key for each of these tables. And Cube will go ahead and try to understand what the relationship is between these tables. It looks like many subscribers can belong to one city, and it picks up that relationship automatically. So we'll go ahead and review and confirm and generate our YAML data model. Now spinning up these deployments always takes a second, so through the magic of time lapse, we'll be right back. All right, we're back with the overview screen. This has our connection information to grab the REST API, the GraphQL API endpoints, and instructions on how to connect to the SQL API from our BI tool. From the playground, we can go ahead and check out our data model. Let's grab the count of subscribers, and let's go by city name and see what we come back with. So New York has 1,000 subscribers. If you know this data set, you know there's only one city in there, so that matches up. And you can see the JSON query that you would submit in order to get this response, and the SQL that's actually going back to our SingleStore database. So I hope you enjoyed the quick tutorial on how to connect Cube Cloud to SingleStore. We'll see you next time.